boy, Fiero GT. Welcome back to another episode of the K20 Part 13.
Lucky 13, huh?
Lucky 13. 13 times come. Ooh.
And action.
Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, Cameron Chase, here with my dad, BVM03. Say hello. Hello.
Hey, everybody.
And welcome back to another episode of the K20. Shut up.
All right, take off from the. Welcome to another episode. Start off there.
Welcome to another episode of the K20 Part 13. This Bonnie and Fiero, that blue thing over there, you probably can't see it. Yeah, that blue thing. We're gonna do the impossible in this series. If you guys do enjoy this, hit that like button down below, subscribe, hit the notifications bell. Hit the notification bell, because when you do, it sends notifications to your little bell icon at the top, right, left, whatever you got there, and so you can see more of our stuff. And when you do, I need friends. Hey, this is scripted. He made me do this.
Okay, now why don't you give your side a plug, and if you like what you see from Cameraman Chase,
If you like to see this, if you like to see gaming instead of car stuff, or you like both. Here you got skill and no skill, to be exact. No spaces. Every new word's a capital. Very strict, because every time I type it never pops up. So if you need help, type it down in the comments. She'll link it in the description. If you still don't get it, type it in the comments and I'll leave a comment. Anyways, if you guys do enjoy this,
what are we going to be doing today?
I don't know. You never told me.
All right, today we are going to be delooming the Honda wiring harness.
Oh my god!
It's a start. I hate wiring, so we got Cameraman Chase here because Dad has contrasting color blindness. Boo!
Yay!
So I use Chase to tell me what color everything is because I don't know. All right, Chase. Let's try not to go to the emergency room. Look, my cut's healing up pretty darn good, though.
If anybody's going to...
I'm just glad it didn't get this finger. Alright, let's get going. Sip of Dr. Pepper. Not sponsored, but would like to be. Alright, Honda. That is not Honda. That's. Oh no, this is part of the Honda. This is the. I believe this is. Well, one, it's a mess. Number two, I believe this is what's called a breakout harness. I don't know if it's used to circumvent the immobilizer. I was told you needed to unlock the ECU at like K-Pro or something like that to eliminate the immobilizer because we don't have the ignition barrel or the key, and I believe this is what you use, but I could be wrong. So let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, we in trouble.
Wait. Before we get into anything, quick shout out to NCS for the music that's playing in the background.
No copyright sounds. Check them out on YouTube.
Great music, techno, dubstep, whatever you like. They've got it. So go check them out.
Link it in the description.
Link it in the description.
And if it weren't for them, our videos would be pretty boring because there'd be no background music.
Like, who would want to listen to a kid and an old man, probably in his 30s, maybe?
Yeah, I like that. I'm in my 30s. Oh yeah, give me 5 on that one. Yeah, I'll take that all day long.
No, he's in his 50s.
What? No, I'm not. You better shut your pile. In my 50s. Boy. All right.
Like 50.
You punk. All right, what we have here is a K20 harness that we pulled out of our donor car, which was that 4 headlight Integra. I don't know the body codes that you Honda guys use. But this was the harness that was on the K20. We don't know if it's a special harness to put the K-Series in the Integra. But what we're going to do is delume it so we can check all the wires and the pin locations. We got a couple of, what was it, broken wires somewhere, wasn't it? Oh yeah.
Right here.
Yeah, down here. What color are the wires that are broken, Chase?
They're yellow with some...
Hold on, you got to hold up the pin so our Honda guys can see it.
You Honda people, this is yellow with black on the back, and And this is black.
And that's the connector. And does the connector have a number on it or anything?
That I can see.
No.
No.
It's just the dark gray connector that plugs in, I assume, to the ECU. We should probably get the ECU to check it to see if that's what it actually plugs into. But right now, let's get the deluming. What do we need? Cue the montage?
Cue it.
Tell them, cue the montage.
Super strong voice. Super varying stuff. Cue the montage.
All right. Cut. And then it's the black wire that we have cut, and then that's yellow with a black stripe, which also corresponds with here. There's the black and the yellow and black. Can you see numbers on the pins? They usually will tell you like what row and what number they are.
There's AMF, or AMP.
Okay, so this one is the, look, this one is the 1, 2, 3, 4th wire. And then what's the 1, 2, 3, 4? What number is this one? Can you see a number on it? Or a letter?
Anyway.
Huh?
There's like a faded out number. It looks like 11.
Okay, it might be. Alright, so we're gonna get the rest of this off? Oh, this is some hard plastic stuff there. Oh, there's a black case.
Shut up, nobody cares.
Here we go. Some more black tape and more duct tape.
For all you Honda guys out there, if you use duct tape to fix your problems,
You got bigger problems.
you got more stick. You got yourself in a sticky situation.
I see what you did there.
Like this video if you like that sticky fun.
I don't know if they're gonna stick around. Alright, fill that up.
At the end of this video, you should just put like a.
Oh, look how nice that wire looks.
You should like at the end of this
See,
video.
there's the black. I'm listening.
At the end of the video, you should just put a montage of
Alright,
every
look.
fun that we made.
Why has that one been tapped? Look at there. We went from a pretty good size gauge wire to a small gauge wire. I don't know if that's factory like that. You see any other cuts or splits or messing with? See, we'll leave these little bundles
Your
on.
brain has been tampered with.
That's true. Who uses duct tape?
Honda guys.
Jackleg Honda guys. Well, if you saw the Integra, I'm surprised there's even tape on it, honestly. It's duct tape. It really is duct tape.
Yeah, there's an entire wire involved in duct tape.
What we got there?
We got some. We got.
I wonder if that's a factory splice.
Guys,
'Cause that was
we
under
got
this.
blue tape.
I wonder if that's a Honda thing because it was under this.
Black covers blue, blue covers white, and then white covers copper.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What he said.
White and black.
Ooh, now what would be cool is if we could use this body plug on the Fiero, like the Honda guys, like the Honda uses. Wonder if we could pull that off.
Yeah, I wonder. I wonder if we could pull it off.
I'm pulling this tape off.
No, like pull it off, like.
Yeah, go ahead and fish it off.
If we can manage it off, if we can manage
You
it.
gotta probably put one plug through at a time.
Shut I'm smart. Gotta pull. No. Stop.
No to duct tape.
Duct tape, more like you suck tape.
Nice. Nicely done.
You like my analogy?
I did. More tape.
Yes.
One ring to rule them all.
Lord of the Rings. Nobody knows where that came from. How do I know what that came from? His fault. Everything that's messed up with me is probably his fault.
I did drop you a few times when you were a baby. I picked you back up though.
Oh no, that one time you just let me sitting on the floor with my head first down and doing a handstand. Of course you did. Or I'd have some sort of mental problem.
You do.
No, my life is a lie. Ah!
Nobody loves you. You were adopted.
Lucy got me when I'm a newborn.
All right, here we go. Oh,
No. You just got me while I was here. Why do I have all these movies to watch with bolts and
we both have striped shirts on.
You are my It's better if they were matching.
You know, that would be a little weird. Oh, we need to do a merch plug.
Oh yeah, okay guys. This guy has some sort of weird idea. We're gonna be having 3 different merch sales. They're all gonna go up, but we're gonna see which one you guys like the best.
Yeah, you're gonna have to vote. Let us know in the comment section. We'll make a poll, but we're gonna offer 3 shirts.
Yes.
And all of them are gonna have the same front. It's gonna say with the YouTube play button, BVM03, K-Swap Fiero, and then on the back, it's gonna have They Catch Fire, don't they? That's gonna be awesome. All right. The second shirt is the same front, BVM03, K-Swap Fiero, and on the back of that one is gonna say.
On the back of this one, no, that's the last one. Okay. On the back of this one, it's gonna say, I bought this shirt to fund BVM03 K-Swap Fiero.
Yeah, I like that one. That was gonna be good. All right, what was the last one? Oh, I remember. The last option, you'll have to make this. You'll have to do the face.
I know.
I won't. Okay, on the last option, same thing.
Excuse me.
BVM03 K-Swap Fiero, and on the back, it's gonna have this.
I need friends.
Let us know in the comment section. Which shirt would you guys like to see for sale? Absolutely, every penny that we make on the sale of the shirts will go directly into the Fiero bill.
Totally not to us because
Nope.
we matter more than cars.
Every penny will go right into the Fiero bill, which will help expedite this process and get us moving along at a much faster pace. All right?
There's an evil devil baby coming down the stairs.
Probably. All right, let's get back to this wiring, which is also evil. What we look for, homie?
It was something special.
I'm going to kill you. That was pretty good. You go bang. Right in the face. Oh, dude. The song?
No.
What do you want to end?